GPS I say, yo, 16 minutes, 18 minutes. So we're just outside right now. I try to find, always I forget the name. We're trying to find Kinopi or... Yo, what the falls name, Pedro? Kwame Falls. I keep forget the stupid name. Kwame Falls. So I try to find Kwame Falls. So currently we're up on the hills. Hike. I go down in a low gear right just in the car. Cracks over on. Find a local in the community who know the way. So I'm currently I walk with it towards the falls. Good little so we can reach in a 20 minutes still. So they have a little bench where you can just sit down and press your foot then if you get tired and really vibes. Yeah, that's a cool deeper thinking too. Whoa! That's a low gear, you have to go down this hill, you know, man. You're in a low gear. Yeah, that show you 3 points. And this is called adventure. That's why I got this tattoo on my hand. Yeah, see the path lead back to the same space. Woo! When you come down to the hills, you reach the next section, you have to just go straight. That carry guy T-side. I'm at the river. You like soon reach, just climb up. Oh, which mountain side we just climb up? Pimento mountain side.